Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our news channel. June 22nd, 2025, Juba. South Sudan's President Salva Kiir Mayardit departed Juba on Sunday for the United Arab Emirates on an official diplomatic visit, his office announced. Kiir was seen off at the Juba International Airport by senior government officials, including ministers, advisors, and Vice President for the Economic Cluster, Dr. Benjamin Bol-Mel. With First Vice President Riek Machar under house arrest, Vice President Bol-Mel is expected to oversee government operations until Kiir returns. The president's office did not specify how long the visit would last. This marks Kiir's second trip to the UAE this year. In February, he visited Abu Dhabi to discuss cooperation in economic, agricultural, energy, and infrastructure sectors. South Sudan and the UAE maintain diplomatic and trade relations, with the Gulf nation providing humanitarian aid to the conflict-affected country. The visit comes amid heightened regional tensions. In May, Sudan's military-led government severed diplomatic ties with the UAE, accusing it of arming the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces and fueling the ongoing war. Kiir is expected to hold high-level meetings with Emirati business leaders and government officials to discuss investment opportunities, regional peace and infrastructure development, according to his office. Presidential Press Secretary David Amuor Majur told the media that Kiir will present South Sudan's economic potential to investors. Building on what he called recent reforms aimed at attracting foreign investment. The president is traveling for a scheduled diplomatic mission and will meet with key partners in the Middle East, Majur said. South Sudan, which gained independence in 2011, has struggled with political instability and economic challenges. Kiir's administration has been seeking foreign investment opportunities to revive its oil-dependent economy. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our news channel.